Hi everyone, back with Bassington. I hope you're all well, I hope you're all keeping safe. At great expense, I've been treating myself to another new watch. I won't explain the reasons why. So without further ado, I will duly unbox it. It's just actually arrived. So all comes very well packaged. Oh, I have to say, a little bit harder to get into than I thought it would be. Very hard, in fact. So it's another Tudor. Yes, I obviously have an obsession with Tudor at the moment, and this one is the Black Bay 58 in black. I think this is an incredible watch. I also think it is an incredible value watch. I keep saying that I think pound for pound, currently on the market, there is no better brand than Tudor, particularly around the £3,000 mark. You will not buy a better watch. Now, as I promised with the Pelagos, which I haven't done a more detailed review, I will get round to doing it. I will do a more detailed review on this watch. In the meantime, stay safe and stay tuned.